Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of living room decorating ideas that are chic, stylish, and perfect for any home. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or completely redesign it, we've got the inspiration you need to create a living room that exudes charm and elegance. One, start with a stunning color palette. The foundation of any stylish living room is the color palette. Opt for a neutral base, think whites, grays, or beiges, for timeless appeal, and then layer in pops of color with accent pillows, throws, and artwork. For a bold touch, consider jewel tones like emerald green or sapphire blue for a luxurious vibe. 2. Statement furniture pieces. Invest in a statement sofa or an eye-catching coffee table to anchor your space. Curved designs, velvet textures, and metallic finishes are trending right now, offering a chic aesthetic. Pair your larger pieces with sleek side tables or a stunning armchair to balance functionality and flair. 3. Layering textures and fabrics. Create depth and coziness by layering different textures. Combine soft velvet cushions, a chunky knit throw, and a plush area rug. Mixing textures adds interest and makes your living room feel inviting yet sophisticated. 4. Focus on lighting. Lighting can transform your living room from ordinary to extraordinary. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting for a layered effect. A statement chandelier or pendant light can serve as a focal point, while table lamps and LED strips provide soft, ambient illumination. 5. Personalize with decor. Bring personality into your space with carefully chosen decor. Arrange artwork, books, and decorative objects on open shelving or a console table. Don't forget to include some greenery. Potted plants or fresh flowers can breathe life into any design. 6. Add a touch of glam. For a chic and stylish vibe, incorporate metallic accents like gold or chrome. Consider a mirrored coffee table, metallic vases, or a gilded frame for that extra sparkle. These details elevate the space, making it feel polished and luxurious. 7. Embrace minimalism. Less is often more when creating a chic aesthetic. Opt for a clutter-free look with clean lines and well-curated decor. Focus on quality over quantity to keep your living room looking effortlessly stylish. 8. Design around a focal point. Whether it's a stunning fireplace, a large piece of art, or a dramatic view, designing your living room around a focal point draws attention and gives the space a cohesive look. Your living room is more than just a space, it's the heart of your home. By incorporating these decorating ideas, you can create a chic and stylish haven that reflects your personal style. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration.